In this lecture, we are going to dispatch this delete user action. For that, I'm just going to open user list, and here for delete, we have passed this button. Now here, I will be passing on click event handler. Inside this, I will be passing this function name handle delete, inside which I have to pass user dot underscore id, using which I will just access user id. Now copy this function, and above this I'm just going to create const handle delete, and inside this I will pass the argument as user id. And now from state, along with loading error and users, I should also access message, because inside the initial state we are passing message. So here I will be accessing message. First, I will just confirmation from user. I will be passing confirm is equal to window dot confirm. Inside this, I will be passing the message, are you sure you want to delete this user? If I click OK, I will have confirm as true. If I click on cancel, I will have confirm as false. So inside this, I will be passing. If I tell delete the user, then I'm just going to dispatch this delete user action. And this one, I'm just going to import from admin slice, inside which I will be passing user ID. And this use effect which we have created earlier, I will copy, and below this I will be pasting. Inside this, I will also check if I am having any message. I will open, copy this. Here I will be pasting toast.success. Whatever message we are having in the backend, we will access that message. Instead of remove errors, we will be passing clear message. In this way, we are going to dispatch the action, and inside dependency array, I will be passing message. Now I will come to my project. I'm just going to delete this user. Click on this delete. I'm having, are you sure you want to delete this user? Click on OK. I'm having user deleted successfully. But here you can see inside the table, user is not removed. But as soon as I refresh, user will be removed, and I will be having 3 users in the table. So what we can do, above this, I will be creating one variable const. I will give the variable name as navigate, and for this, I'm just going to assign use navigate hook. Below this, I will be passing navigate. I will be passing navigate, and where I should redirect to admin dashboard. Admin, and then I will be passing dashboard. Okay, now everything will be fine. But now the problem is, if we delete the user, inside Cloudinary, for every user, we are also having profile picture. So what we will do, inside the user controller, inside this delete user, we will also delete user profile from Cloudinary. Below this, I will be creating one variable image ID, and for this, from this user, whichever user we have found, from there we will access avatar. Inside that we are having public ID. I'm just going to access that. Below this, I will be writing await cloudinary dot uploader dot destroy. Inside this, what I have to destroy? I have to destroy this image ID. I will copy and paste. And after that, we are finding the user by ID, and we are just deleting the user, and then we are sending the response to the user. So in this way, we will find public ID, and that public ID we are just going to destroy from Cloudinary. Now here, I have also deleted Sita. Now what I will do, I have logged in with Seema. Now I'm just going to delete this user. Click on this. Okay. Now it will be loading, because image should be deleted from Cloudinary as well. Once user is deleted, I will be redirected to admin dashboard. Now if I click on all users, I am only having one user, and that is nothing but Seema. Again, let me come to admin dashboard. We have completed these products, and we have completed user, and inside these products, I have added this 5 products. So whenever I click on this, I will be having all the information, whatever we have worked earlier.